Hi guys, I'm here to show you the easiest way to make a magic ring, especially if you're a beginner. It's the most easiest way you could ever see anywhere. For this method, you don't need anything, but you can also have a crochet hook if you think it's easy for you, but you only need your yarn and your fingers. This method has 3 steps, so we're going to start with step 1, which is making letter P with your yarn, and use this point which is not connected to the yarn, the ball of the yarn, to make letter P like that. This is our perfect P here, and remember that this part of letter P, this part, should be under the tail, so we just bring it to the back, and this is our P. This was the first step. The next step is to bring this tail into the circle, into the P. You can use your fingers. I'll show you both ways, using crochet hook and also using your fingers if you don't have crochet hook. Okay, so to do that, you need to press here with your fingers so the P won't move. Okay, press it here and bring this to the circle like so. And now the final step is to twist this tail. You just twist it like that, and that was it. Now you can use your crochet hook, insert it here, and you can chain 1. This is your magic ring ready. You can pull this side to make it smaller, or if you want it to be bigger, you can pull this side to have it bigger. Okay, now we can, for example, chain 2 and do whatever the pattern says, like double crochet in the magic ring or anything else. Yeah, that was it. So I'm gonna show you how to do it with crochet hook. Just make your P. Okay, it should be under the tail, this part, and instead of bringing this tail into the circle with your fingers, you can just bring it with your hook like that and just twist it. Okay, this is how we bring it to the circle, and now we just twist it, and here we go. For example, chain 1 and make it a little bit smaller. This is our magic circle ready. And if you want this tail to be shorter, you should make your P smaller. Okay, like this is, I think this is enough. And then you just do this again. Okay, flip it and use it. This is your perfect magic ring. In a slowed down version, how to make it.